Flat tires and low pressure can be a real headache, but with the right car air pump, you'll always be prepared. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car air pumps that combine portability, power, and smart features to keep you moving with ease. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Suitu car air pump. The Suitu car air pump is a compact and powerful solution designed for modern drivers who value convenience, safety, and efficiency. This lightweight, mini wireless device offers instant air replenishment, ensuring your tires are always properly inflated no matter where you are. Equipped with a high-voltage pure copper motor, it delivers rapid inflation, capable of filling multiple tires in just 1 second, making it ideal for emergencies or routine maintenance. Safety is a core feature of the Suitu car air pump. It comes with intelligent digital monitoring, allowing real-time observation of tire pressure and temperature. The AI-driven system automatically stops charging once the preset tire pressure is reached, providing precise inflation while preventing overcharging. This ensures both vehicle performance and tire longevity are maintained. Designed with portability in mind, the air pump is small enough to fit anywhere in your car, making storage effortless without taking up valuable space. It also includes emergency lighting, providing reliable illumination for nighttime travel or roadside situations, further enhancing its practicality. The Suitu car air pump combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, making tire maintenance simpler and safer than ever. Its intelligent features, rapid inflation capability, and compact form factor make it an essential companion for every vehicle, offering peace of mind on every journey. Coming in at number 4, the Carsun car air pump. The Carsun car air pump is a compact yet powerful solution designed to meet all your inflation needs efficiently. Equipped with an informative screen, it provides real-time feedback on tire pressure, allowing you to monitor and maintain optimal inflation levels with ease. Its user-friendly design ensures simple operation, making it accessible even for those who are not technically inclined. The ergonomic construction makes it easy to grip, allowing for comfortable handling during use. What sets the Carsun car air pump apart is its impressive performance. Engineered to be stronger and faster than conventional air pumps, it can inflate a wide range of items in mere minutes, from car tires to sports equipment and inflatable accessories. The pump's advanced heat dissipation system ensures that it maintains consistent performance even during extended use, preventing overheating and prolonging its overall lifespan. Compact yet robust, the Carsun car air pump combines convenience with power. Its efficient design allows for quick inflation without compromising durability, making it a reliable companion for drivers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a dependable air pump at hand. With its informative screen, simple operation, and faster heat dissipation, it exemplifies modern innovation in portable car accessories. This air pump is ideal for those seeking a balance between speed, functionality, and durability. Whether for everyday maintenance or unexpected emergencies, the Carsun car air pump offers a practical and efficient solution for keeping tires and inflatables properly inflated. Its design ensures that you can rely on it time and again, providing peace of mind and convenience whenever it is needed. At number 3, we have the Leiboo car air pump. The Leiboo car air pump is a compact and portable solution designed to make tire inflation simple and efficient for every vehicle owner. Its lightweight design allows it to be easily carried and stored, making it perfect for both home use and on-the-go emergencies. Despite its small size, this mini air compressor delivers impressive performance, achieving a maximum pressure of 150 psi to inflate tires quickly and reliably. Versatility is a key feature of the Leiboo car air pump. It is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including motorcycles, bicycles, and cars, providing a convenient all-in-one solution for inflating tires, sports equipment, and other inflatables. Its electric-powered operation ensures a hassle-free experience. Wired models run on a 12V DC motor, while wireless versions offer USB charging, eliminating the need for manual pumping and reducing physical effort. Whether you're heading out on a road trip, cycling adventure, or simply need a reliable tool for everyday vehicle maintenance, the Leiboo Car Air Pump offers a blend of portability, power, and convenience. Its compact form factor, combined with its high-pressure capabilities, makes it a practical addition to any toolbox or car emergency kit. Quick to use and easy to handle, this air pump is engineered to keep you moving with minimal downtime, making tire inflation fast, efficient, and stress-free. From its versatile applications to its user-friendly electric operation, the Leiboo Car Air Pump stands out as a dependable, portable companion for maintaining optimal tire pressure, ensuring safety and performance for a variety of vehicles. Next up at number 2 is the Asmax T10 Car Air Pump. The Asmax T10 Car Air Pump is a versatile and reliable tool designed to meet a wide range of tire inflation needs. Powered by a robust 7500 mAh battery, it provides extended usage, allowing multiple tires to be inflated on a single charge. Its high-pressure capability of 160 psi ensures that tires, whether for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, or sports equipment, reach optimal pressure quickly and efficiently. Equipped with a multifunctional LED light, the Asmax T10 enhances visibility and safety during nighttime or low-light situations, making it an essential companion for roadside emergencies. Its compact, lightweight design, coupled with a convenient storage bag, allows for effortless portability and easy storage, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. The pump's versatility makes it suitable for a variety of scenarios, from routine tire maintenance to urgent inflation needs while on the road. Combining high performance, portability, and practical features, the Asmax T10 Car Air Pump is designed to deliver convenience, reliability, and peace of mind for vehicle owners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This compact yet powerful device demonstrates that high functionality can coexist with portability, ensuring that you are prepared for any tire-related situation, whether at home, on a trip, or during sports activities. Its thoughtful design and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for those seeking efficiency and ease in tire maintenance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baseus GoTrip VA1 Pro Car Air Pump. The Baseus GoTrip VA1 Pro Car Air Pump is a versatile and compact solution designed to meet a wide range of inflation needs. From sedans and motorcycles to sports equipment like basketballs, this pump offers 5 smart presets that allow for easy one-touch switching, making it adaptable to almost any situation. Its precision is enhanced by a built-in high-accuracy sensor that delivers pressure readings with 0.05 bar accuracy, ensuring safe and reliable inflation every time. Safety is a priority with the VA1 Pro, as the pump automatically stops once the desired pressure is reached, protecting your tires from overinflation. Despite its robust functionality, it remains highly portable thanks to a lightweight design and ultra-small footprint, making it easy to store in a glove box or door pocket for on-the-go use. The VA1 Pro features a 7500 mAh built-in battery, capable of completing up to 6 full inflations per charge, making it ideal for road trips, outdoor adventures, and daily use. For added convenience, the pump can also be used directly while plugged in, eliminating worries about battery charge. Operation in low-light conditions is simple, thanks to its 3-way built-in LED lighting, which illuminates dark garages, driveways, or roadside locations. The combination of portability, smart presets, and reliable performance makes the Baseus GoTrip VA1 Pro a practical companion for anyone needing a dependable, easy-to-use car air pump at home or on the road. This pump seamlessly blends compact design with professional-level functionality, ensuring that you can inflate tires, sports equipment, and more safely, accurately, and efficiently whenever the need arises.